Hey guys, Theresa here. Have you seen those TikTok videos where they raise their hand and then something appears? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, so stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. I make a lot of how-to videos for social media, and if you enjoy these types of content, make sure you hit the subscribe button and notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Without further ado, let's jump straight into it. Okay guys, first of all, what you need to do is you need to open up your TikTok account. And once you've done that, you need to hit on the plus sign, and that's me there. Then you need to go to your effects and scroll down to the effect that has a hand picture and it's got the green background. Tap onto that, and you got to show your hand. Tap onto the image that you want to appear, and then you can open the palm of your hand up to show the image to your audience, or depending what you're talking about. Obviously here I'm just going to use this as an example. It just will make the video more interesting and more engaging instead of having the actual photo of what you're talking about in the background. You can only just show it when you're actually talking about it and it's at the forefront, so then whoever's watching can see exactly what you're talking about. If you have any questions for me, leave it down in the comment section below. Also, if you want to share your TikTok handle with me, leave it down there. Also, that's all from me for now, and I'll see you on the next one.